Okay, today in this writer's workshop we're going to look at specific edits. What we're going to do is we're going to use your writing and we are going to create small tutorials for common mistakes. So you have your draft and you are going to choose 3 mistakes. Now I've done this for you. So if you see a mistake on your essay with a green circle, that's one of the kind of targeted grammar points I want you to focus on. So I've done number 1. I've identified the mistake for you. What I want you to do in Creative Book Builder is fix the mistake and describe the rule. And this one is going to be difficult for us. Here's kind of an example of a finished product. I've chosen 3 edits, and let's look at edit number 2 here. So I've identified the mistake by taking a photo of it and inserting it on this page. So here's the grammar mistake, he work. So I've identified the mistake. The second thing I want to do is fix it, which I've done, he works in Dubai. And the third thing is describe the problem. In present tense with he, you must add s to the verb. And I think this third step is going to be the most difficult. So here's an example of the Creative Book Builder program. This is the app, and this is what we should look for. The title of your ebook, it will be an ebook, will be Writing Edits, and you're going to have 3 chapters, 1 for each edit that I've circled. Some of you might find 4 circles. Some of you actually might find 5. Have a look at your essay. And for each, you need to identify and fix, and then describe or explain. In this example, I've chosen to use an audio recording to describe or explain. You can use text, or you can use an audio recording, or even a video if you like. We'll look at an example later. Now the third step, identifying the mistake, is easy. Fixing it might be easy too, but this third step is something I want us to focus on today. So we need to find a good description of the rule. You can look at our text, you can go to a website, and maybe we have some notes. You can ask me too, and I'll guide you in the right direction here. Okay, and I will expect in your explanation or description to use some of the language we use in class when we talk about these targets. So for example, here's edit number 1. I've identified the mistake, and the mistake here is children's. Now I fixed it to say my uncle has 3 children. The problem here, and in my explanation, if we were to listen to it, is I've made a mistake with the plural form of the noun children. So it should be 1 child or 2 children. You don't add s to make child plural. So I'm using these kinds of words, and that's what we're going to look for in our description. So ask questions and create your ebook. And when you're finished, I'll ask you to create a folder and box called Writing Task 1. Upload a photo of your first draft, you have it with you now, and write a second excellent draft in Pages and upload it as well. And after I look at your iBook, we are going to upload this iBook with these specific targeted grammar points. Any questions?